Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a reproducible environment. Create a virtualenv and install Python 3. 8+, pip plus PyTorch or TensorFlow and OpenCV. Once done, pick a model family, YOLO, faster RCNN, or SSD, because that shapes training and inference. You then collect a small labeled dataset using label img or roboflow, export annotations as Coco or Pascal VOC, and split into train/val. Make sure to test a single image pipeline immediately to verify dependencies and paths before moving on. You now prepare the dataset and model config. Convert annotations to Coco, Pascal, or TF record as required, and adjust input size to match the backbone. Next, set hyperparameters, batch size, learning rate, epochs, and enable augmentation like flips and color jitter because that improves generalization. Use transfer learning, load pre-trained weights and fine-tune on your labels. Once a short training run completes, evaluate MAP and loss curves, and iterate on augmentations or learning rate if validation performance lags. You finish by exporting the trained model to a deployable format like ONGS or Torch script and writing an inference script that applies resizing, normalization, confidence thresholding, and non-maximum suppression. Once running, measure latency and accuracy, profile hotspots in preprocessing or NMS. If predictions are wrong or missing, check label consistency, class imbalance, and whether augmentations hurt examples. As a troubleshooting tip, rerun training with a reduced learning rate and more validation samples to isolate overfitting versus data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.